What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on BSV, Bitcoin SV, which has taken a major pump, not just in the last 24 hours but over the last 2 days guys. It's gained over 80% in value, going from about just under $50 to right now $90 guys, getting very close to the $100 mark. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at what potential does this crypto have for the rest of the year, which is literally a couple of days, and also going into 2024, is this a crypto to be investing into? How high can it go? Is now the right time to buy it? Looking at its prediction for the short term and the long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I am going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bitcoin SV, which is here in purple at just under $55. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at just under $90, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and as you guys can see here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the next, potentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. The crypto should have gone for a minimal drop in value, and that is predicted due to the fact that, as you guys can see, it has pumped up quite a lot over the last 24 to 48 hours, over 80%, meaning it does have the potential to be overvalued right now. So it could do with a little bit of a dip, so potentially dropping down to around below $80 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Even though it is likely to be quite volatile with green and red candles, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So yes, do expect an overall minimal drop in value from Bitcoin SV. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is also just about slanting towards the negative direction as well. So again, an overall drop in value is what is expected over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week guys, the crypto should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is exact same, it is overvalued, and by mid next week we will be in 2024 guys. So by mid next week I'm expecting it to drop down to around $60 in value, which yes, it is quite of a drop from where it is at the moment, but again, that is the reality of cryptocurrency. It pumps up like crazy and then literally drops back down, and that is why it's not sustainable right now, due to the fact that it's pumped up so much. So yeah, do expect more red days over the coming days for the crypto to be dropping back down. Moving on to the daily chart, now we have taken a complete U-turn here. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive guys. However, this is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep, heading towards the bullish side, is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So by mid to late February 2024, yes, even though I am expecting it to pump up in value, I'm not expecting anything too crazy. I'm not anything major. Potentially hovering around $95 to $100 is where I'm expecting Bitcoin SV to be trading at by February, March 2024. Reason for that is I am also expecting Bitcoin to be pumping over $46,000, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. However, before Bitcoin SV pumps up to $100, it has to go for a price correction, meaning it is likely to drop back down to around $55 and then slowly start to gain value up to about $95 to $100 over the next 2 to 3 months. So yes, an overall increase is expected, but in between that time it has to go for a price correction, which is expected to be over the next week or two, dropping back down in value. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level here, and it literally broke out from the green zone yesterday into the dark green zone, into the blue zone, and into the top tier level here without any resistance, meaning, as I mentioned earlier, this is not sustainable. So what it's likely to do is drop straight back down into the green zone here over the coming days, and next time it does pump up, it should resist before it pumps out or breaks out from the zone here. And yeah, that is expected. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 260% in the last 24 hours, making it over $800 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. A lot more people are looking into the project right now, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. It is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, so it is getting a lot more traction, which is also helping the value of Bitcoin SV pump up as well, and it is likely to go a little bit higher over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So this is my take and my prediction. Again, I did say it's going to hit $100, but I don't think that is the highest it will hit. It will probably go way above $100 for the rest of the year next year, as I'm expecting the crypto market to be heading towards the bullish side, bullish direction in 2024. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Bitcoin SV to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be going through them. And yeah, I'm going to end the video here, guys. At the end of the day, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.